So in this problem, you're asked to solve the system of equations algebraically. I'm going to set these two equal to one another. And then I'm going to choose to move everything to the right-hand side or to the left-hand side. There's no wrong answer. Generally, there's an easier method, but there's no wrong answer. When this moves over, it becomes positive and then cancels on the left. When this moves over, it becomes positive, cancels on the left. And when this moves over, it becomes positive and cancels on the left. So there's nothing on the left. I'm going to combine like terms. And now I'm going to solve. Remember, you can always use the quadratic formula or completing the square to solve. Sometimes you can use factoring, but not all quadratic equations are factorable. When you can factorable, it's going to be a little bit quicker to do the problem. So let's check and see, is this factorable? 30 times negative 2 is negative 60. I want to see if there's two numbers that can multiply to achieve an answer of negative 60 and combine to get negative 7. So 1 and 60 don't work. 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12. 5 and 12 do work. So this will be x plus 5 and x minus 12. Take the leading coefficient and place it underneath each. And then reduce the fractions if possible. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 1x value is negative 1/6. The other is positive 2/5. Each x value is going to have a corresponding y value. And we're asked to show work here, so I go up to the original two equations and I choose the one that looks easiest to me. And I'm going to write it down. But wherever I see an x, I'm going to substitute in negative 1/6. I'm going to write it again, this time substituting in 2/5. And now I'm going to let the calculator do the hard work for me. (20) negative 1/6 squared, subtract 9, negative 1/6, subtract 3. Turn it back into a fraction, and y equals negative 17 over 18. So one answer written as an ordered pair is negative 1/6 and negative 17 over 18. One answer. One intersection point. Following the same pattern, 20 2/5 squared minus 9 2/5 minus 3. Turn it back into a fraction. Y equals negative 17/5. And there is the second intersection point.